Good day everyone, this is DB Pañares. This is my final project in IT Prof L4. My website title is all about PC hardware. Hardware refers to the external and internal devices and equipment that enable you to perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing, and more. Next is the landing page. You will see different parts of PC hardware, and then next, if you want to see all the customers, and you just click get started button, and after you click the get started button, you will see the dashboard. And if you want to add another user, just click the add button. You just type the username, first name, the last name, email address, password, and user type. You can choose it is admin or a user. Then select, then click add. The next is to edit the user. Just type the username, first name, the last name, email address, password, user types, and save changes. Then if you want to delete the user, just click delete, then OK. Then user